Hi, in this video today I want to try to work out exactly what happens when you change the bean intensity on a DeLonghi coffee machine. This is a Magnifica start, but the same thing will apply to many other bean to cup machines. So we have low or mild, medium and strong, but I want to know what that actually means. This is what I think. I just want to prove it in this video. I think if we were to do an espresso, the same amount of water is going to be pushed through whether we use a mild one or a strong one. And I think the difference is going to be that on a mild one, it's going to grind a lot less coffee than on a strong one. So for example, I'm going to time the grinding on it, and maybe on a low one here, a mild one, it might only grind the beans for 5 seconds, which might be dropping through maybe 10 or 15 beans. While if we have it on this one, I'm hoping to find it will grind for longer, in which case then it's going to drop through more beans. And that will hopefully show itself in the puck size at the end. So we'll take out the puck size and see if the mild one has a smaller puck than the strong one. So let's start here, and we're going to make an espresso on both of them, and we're going to time it. So I'm going to start now, time the grinding. Okay, that was 3.82 seconds. At the end, I'm hoping to see the same amount of coffee in each cup. Right, so that's that one done. And I'm just going to take the puck out. Hopefully it's intact. No, unfortunately it's not. It's all in bits. Sometimes they come out intact. Right, okay, well, that's not going to prove anything there, but we should be able to measure how long it takes to do the strong one, and if it's grinding for longer, it means it's pulling through more coffee. So now we're going to go to this one here. So let's see, is this going to be more than 3.8 seconds? Let's reset that and do it again now. There we go. 5.7 seconds, so it's grinding for nearly 2 seconds longer. That's the proof you need. So it's got more coffee, being the puck size is going to be bigger, it's ground more beans. Let's just see if the volume's the same. I think actually for the last part of the video, let's go on to setting 2 and see whether it's going to be around about 4 seconds. Okay, so let's just have a quick measure here. If we bring the camera down, yeah, they're exactly the same. Right, let me now do one. We don't have to use a new cup. We just need to time how long the middle one takes. So if we go to here and now reset this one, and let's see how long this one takes. 4.9 seconds. So it looks like each setting increases the grinding by around about 1 second. So roughly 3.8, 4.8, 5.8. So yeah, that's it. So how many beans get dragged through in that extra second, I'm not too sure. And I just want to have a quick look at the pucks. Fortunately, I can't see any difference there. Sometimes they are completely intact, but in this instance they're not. I thought I might be able to pull them out and I'd be able to show you 3 different sizes. But we know from the grinding there that more has been pulled through. So yeah, I was curious about it. Lots of people may already know it. I just needed to see it with my own eyes so I understood what's happening now. So 100% I know, doesn't matter which setting you're using here, if you have it on this one, it's going to be grinding for 2 seconds longer than on this one here. So yeah, it's definitely using more coffee beans to make your coffee, hence the reason it's stronger. So the puck must be deeper when you have it on setting 3 than on setting 1 here. So setting 1 must be about so big, and setting 3 must be about so big there, because it's grinded for 2 longer seconds. I found that interesting. I hope you did too. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.